Thank you for checking out my YouTube channel here. I'm Dane Tyghe and I'm a driving instructor. I make driving lesson videos to help learner drivers achieve their goals. I will be sharing with you tips and information just like this. So I'm going to be doing a right turn at lights now, and we'll see what it's like in terms of oncoming traffic, and we'll see if I have to give way. At these lights up ahead here, they're red at the moment, I'll be taking a right turn. So I check my mirrors, indicate to the right, and I'm just slowing down slightly, getting down to second gear, because it's good to be in second gear in case it goes green at the correct time. At least then if I'm in second gear, if it goes green now, I can just go ahead. So there's a couple of oncoming cars there, so I'm just going to make sure my indicator stays on there. I'm going to apply the handbrake and go into first gear. So I need to roll up into the middle here when the light goes green, but I also have to give way to the oncoming cars if they're doing less work than me. So I check my mirrors, I roll up into the middle. So he's going that way, so he should go first, and he should go first as well because he's doing less work. And this fella's flashed me here now, so I'll just go ahead then. He was letting me go there, and that's how I do that. So the first two cars there were doing less work than me, so that's why I let them go first. And then the second guy then was holding back and he flashed me to go, so I just went then. I made sure he wasn't going to come, but he held back and he flashed me, so I thought that was perfectly okay for me to go then in that case. So whether you're a complete beginner or somebody preparing for a driving test or anywhere in between, then consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that bell notification where you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.